Guys, we are back fishing. We got the boat, so we're using a Rage Craw right now. Black and blue. Usually the red works, but it got a little dirty since we just had a rainstorm the other day. There's usually a bass right under there, right there. Nope. Oh, so we're just gonna go and now we're going in a my friend is we're changing colors from this thing to this color. It's pretty nice. Alright. I just cast it right by the tree. Oh, I have one. Got one. Got one. I got one. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's go. No, it just came off. It just came off.
How would you like me to make your life a living hell?
Alright, so Logan just caught a bass on a Whopper Plopper, like exploded on it. Of course I wasn't recording at the time because the weight was low, but it's pretty decent size. Got hit in the lip or something. I hate treble hooks, but I know. That was a nice sized fish.
Yeah. Alright, let's start heading over.
This smells gas. This is good.
I want to head along with
Casted right here.
You might be baby bass spawning.
Yeah.